real estate.
Through just routine maintenance on the vehicle. So this is me just filling the fuel tank up before I fuel it with some additive to help clean the fuel system. I do it probably every couple of months. This is me just surveying the BMW. This is me with a beautiful pour on the screenwash. Always check the screenwash. This is me just pouring the coolant into the top of the radiator because it was low and on minimum, and it made me feel a bit worried about it, if I'm honest with you. And it seems right now, so I'm praying that it's all right. So we can only hope. That is a beautiful pour though, can you all just appreciate that? As I say, boys, like and subscribe, always helps out. Ring the bell as always. And as you can see, the minimum and maximum mark, it was on minimum before I started, so hopefully now it's a max, and I'll check it. Checking the brake fluid as well. I think I might have to do a change in that soon. Check the oil, it was fine, but I topped it up just a tiny bit. This is me just checking, or how you would check your tyre pressures, looking at the depth of the tyre as well. Me just demonstrating how you check your tyre pressures. Always a good thing to do it every week, every month or so. This is my old wheel off my Honda that I had to scrap, unfortunately. Or that would have been a beautiful project car. Those edgelord looking never mind, I completely forgot. This is me checking the depth gauge. So it started with 6mm on tyres, so that's pretty solid to be fair. Checking them again, make sure on the inner edge, outer edge and center. And remember guys, if Cabbage can, you can too.